Google. Let's go get him again.
Welcome back to the Robezoid channel. I'm your host, Mark, and welcome to your weekly roundup on what's going on the channel this week. Busy week, designer week. So to my niche heads, I'm so sorry. Full-on designer, but I'm looking next week. We got some for you. You'll get your day. But you know me on this channel. I go all over the place. Designer, niche, indie. That's the name of the game with me. I love to discover. So we're gonna start off the week, of course, today. Happy Monday. Bon lundi to all my French friends, and hopefully had a great Monday. Usually this video is in the morning, but I'm playing catch up, as you can tell. So this video will most likely be in the evening. Very simple, straightforward video, but you're gonna get what you're gonna get on Monday. On Tuesday is your subscriber's choice, as usual, in the morning. Very easy video to shoot, so I'll have that available for you on Tuesday. Wednesday, we start the week off designer, of course, with Armani. I unboxed, I'd say a month from now. It's been a month maybe that I did Stronger With You Intensely. I unboxed that one. Not bad. Stronger With You Absolutely is coming up this week. I got just a little 50 mil. I think my whole line is 100 mil, so that's gonna make everything look different. Anyway, no problem. Stronger With You Absolutely. Blind buy, so I don't know what I'm getting, but it is a collection piece to finish off the collection. This one you're familiar with from last week. It is a Lost Cherry. Still working on that one. Still not done. I think one more test and we should be good to go. So, but it'll be ready to go on Thursday for sure. I am pretty confident on what I got on paper in regards to Lost Cherry. So that one, I took my time with it. Then on Friday, we are going to have an unboxing of a 2023 release, one that I sampled, and this is Lamal Elixir. Again, another collection piece. I am a Lamal fanboy. I've already said my piece about this release. Maybe now that I have the bottle, things may change. We'll see on the test drive and of course with the unboxing. So nothing really new here. This is not a blind buy. I already know what I'm gonna get out of that one on Friday. Saturday, it's not this one. It's actually one that's missing here because I've already shot the video. It's done. It was a sampling samples that was supposed to be launched last Sunday. I didn't make it in time. The video is already edited, ready to go. So it is going to be on my channel on Saturday, or not Saturday, sorry, Sunday. That one is going to be Electric Cherry from Tom Ford. So the Cherry Twins are done basically. Saturday is your subscriber's choice. So I'm backing up here. Subscriber's choice. This was the designer one where there was a whole bunch of funny comments. My niche heads, you are funny. Love you guys. But this is 1 million Elixir. That's the one that won. So I think the last one was 1 million that won in the designer realm. My memory is not very good anymore. Yeah, I think we did Royale with cheese. So this one's going to be Elixir. I will be testing that one out this week for your subscriber's choice. So whole bunch of designers. I know, my niche heads, I'm sorry. It is what it is. I just go through them. You know, I try to hit up some variety, but sometimes this happens. Some things are due, some things kind of had, like the cherries were supposed to be last week, so maybe you would have had more niche. Actually, you would have had a niche release here and there, but it is what it is. So that's it. I love my Monday's always good when I see the comments on these videos and you tell me what you're going to be checking out. Hey, if you want to be funny, my niche heads, as you are hilarious. Let me know that you're going to pass. Love it. I'll reply. But other than that, have a good week. Love you all. And I will be seeing you tomorrow with a subscriber's choice. So keep it tuned in and I'll see you this week.